doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go.
So what's the plan for today?
Today we are going to try the beach club from the hotel.
Finally! I hope no one will disturb us today. Yeah, so this is the lobby of the hotel. I will wait for you at the entrance.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
It's a bump. Careful.
What?
It's a bump here.
Yeah, I can feel it. Oh!
Let's see how far away is the beach. Yes?
I can understand you.
Let's see how far is the beach.
Oh yeah. I think a 5-minute walk. We should ask because I want that bike.
Maybe we can, yes. We can try later on, yes? Maybe
Yeah. It would be great. Oh. She's fast.
I think this is quite a trip to go by foot.
Yeah. But
It's
honestly,
good because from there we can go to the water flow and then we come back to take the shuttle bus to the hotel from the beach
yeah,
club.
exactly. No, Hotel Beach Club. Yeah.
Boleh balik kan, Mak? Balik ada.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you. Yay. I think the weather today is perfect.
Yeah, I'm happy that it's overcast.
Yeah. Some cleaning up. Some cleaning up.
Yes.
enjoying the promenade
Here
in
is
Nusa Dua.
really nice. Baby.
We're going to the water bomb. Or blow. Water
Blow. But,
water blow or bomb?
no, water bomb you are saying, or water boom. This is
everything water be
but this is water blow.
water blow. Okay.
The new one.
Yep. Oh,
Bamboo, all bamboo.
Wait, this is... No, it's not. I was thinking this is the beach from... I think we are approaching to Amatera Beach.
Yeah. Yeah, I think after this
Or we are already past.
their lounge chairs were perfect.
Look at this sandbed.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Nice.
This close to the pool.
Yeah. Nice here.
Here is some water sports.
You are now leaving Grand Hyatt Bali, so this is Grand Hyatt. I want to say something. My swimsuit is getting wet again because of the sweat. It's 30 degrees, real feel 42. Are you sure, babe, that we should go to the statue, right?
Let's go to the right and we will see there.
Yeah. Oh God.
What
Yay. And the shadow here is, well, great, but look at that statue. Yeah, you can film it from here.
I think that statue, yeah, we will see it from here.
Because no way I will go there.
No, I will also not go. But there you can see very interesting. There is a stone. There is a stone right there. There is the statue.
Yeah. That is beautiful.
We can a little bit zoom in.
And also on the stone there are carved some names or some dates, maybe.
What, you are tired?
I'm not tired. Hot.
Just to cool down.
Yeah, I saw that here in Nusa Dua they have a lot of these fountains, but just to wash your face or hands. I think they were installed when COVID started,
Maybe, but it's...
but don't drink the water in Bali.
Yes. Come. I remember we were passing below this tunnel. You like to go there?
We are at the toilets.
Let's see.
Let's see the toilets. Come on. Come on, Mr. Thomas. Yay. Wow. This is impressive. Such a beautiful toilet in the middle of the park. Wow. Ladies and gents.
Yes.
The toilet with a view.
Yeah, exactly. It is actually. It is toilet with very nice view.
Okay. Where are we going to the ladies?
Ah, this is the ladies.
Yeah, and also filming. You little intruder. So, you are not making that face
Maybe
when
were
you know
right.
it all, yeah?
But maybe here. No.
This
Maybe.
is normal beach. There is the,
Let's go there.
the end.
This
Oh
time.
my God. God. Things in the grass.
Look at this little adventurous girl.
For sure. Film you when you have a mosquito or any living insect near you. Yeah.
I'm looking forward.
Yeah, to do the oh! Okay?
Okay?
It's a promise.
Another one.
The right one, not the toilet. And also the water is not blowing. Hot, no wind,
No blow,
no blow.
only water. Ah, but here is better. Windy, little bit windy.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to take my toy out.
So no water blow. Actually no water blowing, just sun shining too much.
It's the low tide and now the water is getting away. I think in the evening before sunset when it's the high water.
Actually I think you're right, because I remember that
I think
we went here in the evening last time.
I'm not
but-
sure. We can ask the guys in the counter.
I think the water comes even up here, because look at these ponds.
Come.
Come to the water.
Wait, I'll ask you.
Let's get some water. Oh my god.
Give me the money. Hopefully it's cold.
So those 5,000 were lost.
Yeah, but it's for somebody, for the next guy.
Yeah.
We can use them wisely. Because now it looks like no water.
I'm eager to drink a beer.
Mhm.
Yeah,
You are now or later at the restaurant?
at the restaurant, because if I drink I will not get out of the chair very quickly then. The whole area here is extremely beautiful, but the whole town is like a park with no bench.
How many bench?
And honestly I didn't feel like this. The temperature outside is so hot, and it's like in Dubai in September.
Yeah, at least here we have some shadow. It's not the same.
Yeah, it's
But
not
it's-
the same, because Dubai is a concrete jungle. But also the heat is hot. It's too much.
We could take a taxi, but we figured it's not so far away. Maybe we see some restaurants in the way, but I think here inside of Nusa Dua, only at Bali collection you have a few of them, and anything else outside, yes?
Yeah. Or at the
Hello.
hotels of each. Of the
Yeah,
restaurants of
you
each
can eat at hotel.
Show me the way. Also in Bali you use Google Maps. It works the best. Oh, actually I'm feeling better.
Don't worry, 1.5 months from now we will be in Germany in the snowiest week of the year.
You like the extremes.
Yes. Can you hold it
Yeah.
a moment?
Ah, you want also? Do you need the shampoo? Mr. Fancy.
So we just ordered some food. Let's see, what do we have here? Very good. Here a lot of shops. Hello. Thank you, we did. We are approaching to Alpha Mart.
Yes.
We go to top up.
If you go to Bali, look for Alpha Mart and look for this sign. You can film it here. It says Bean Spot. Iced coffee latte.
Iced coffee latte.
Yeah, that's for me.
Now she couldn't resist. Here is a cat. It's there. Katarina went to take some whiskas or something, I think, to check if they have inside. She wants this?
Because of you, I'm tired.
Maybe, but I don't think so.
Yeah. Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you.